Thank you, Yash. Then number 8. Thank you so much, Yashika. Okay, now you tell me Rajdeep number 7.
I was doing number 7.
Okay, Omoto tell me number 7. Wait, Rajdeep, you will tell me number 8. Just a second. Let Omoto tell me number 7.
Ma'am, we have done it.
No, we haven't done it, beta. This chapter has not been done. Omoto, can you tell
Ma'am,
me?
do you forgive? Forgive.
Will it be forgave, Yashika? Is it correct? Yashika,
What,
check his
ma'am?
answer. Number 7. Is Omoto correct, beta? He told me forgive.
Yes.
Very good. Excellent, Yashika. Excellent, Omoto. Okay, the next one, Rajdeep, can you tell me number 8?
At first, forgive seemed right to me, but I remembered it will be forgive.
Very good.
Formulas yesterday.
Tell me again, Rajdeep.
Ma'am, third. Ma'am, option C.
Very good. Excellent. Very good, Rajdeep. Okay, the next one, Abhishikta will tell me. Abhishikta, tell me number 9, beta.
Yes, ma'am, we have done this one.
No, we haven't done this. We were doing this in class 5. Some students have joined in that class and they have told me the answer. Like Udit was there. I remember him.
Abhishekta was there.
I have told this one. I have told this
I went
one.
to the washroom. Which number, ma'am?
Abhishekta, tell me number 9, beta.
We loved to love that my parents get up. We laughed so loud that my parents woke up.
Very good, Abhishekta. Excellent. The next one, Udit, can you tell me number 10?
Yes, ma'am. Maggie dashed to the party. Snackers and she.
That is
could
sneaker,
not.
beta. Sneaker is a type of shoe that we wear in our legs.
Ma'am, when will the class end?
Fill in by 9, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, Udit.
Ma'am, Maggie goes to the party in her slippers as she could not find her sandals.
Very good. Excellent, Udit. But it is sneaker. Pronounce it sneakers.
Sneakers.
Very good. Sneaker is a type of shoe, beta. It is very useful for running. If you are running or if you are going for a morning walk, sneakers are the best one. Okay. The next line, Aditya, can you read it, beta? Aditya, read it from here, beta. Question.
Okay, ma'am. Questions in the past tense. We use did to make questions with the past tense. This is for regular as well as irregular verbs in English.
Very
Examples:
Read it, Aditya. Example.
do they live in India? Present tense. Did they live in India? Past tense.
Very good. Excellent, Aditya. So what is happening? Question in the past tense. We use did to make question with the past tense. So for past tense we use did, and for present tense we use do. So what are the type of question we normally ask? Do they live in India? This is asked in the present tense. And did they live in India? This is asked in the past tense. Is it clear to everybody what is the meaning of past tense? Past tense means that has already happened yesterday. And present tense means which is happening today, that is known as present tense. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Avishika,
Yes, ma'am.
Yashika, Rajdeep, Amoto, Shivam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What about Amoto? Amoto, Rajdeep?
Yes, ma'am.
Amoto, it's clear to you. Very good. Okay. Udit, is it clear to you better? Udit and Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Aditya, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, now this one, Rajdeep, read it from the only. Read just one line, Rajdeep. The only.
Do them.
Not the example, the only. From here, I have marked it. See?
I do not see the page.
You don't see the page?
We use. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I see. The only difference between a question and the past tense is the change in the auxiliary verb.
Okay, Rajdeep,
Both
wait, that's it, Rajdeep. Just one line. Rajdeep, can you tell me what is the meaning of auxiliary verb? Do you have any idea about auxiliary verb? Rajdeep, try better. What is an auxiliary verb?
I can tell.
Okay, Yashika, tell me what is an auxiliary verb?
Auxiliary verb means helping verb.
Very good, excellent. Now, Yashika, okay, I am explaining. The only difference between a question in the present tense and a question in the past tense is the change in the auxiliary verb. So what is the difference between question in the present tense and question in the past tense? Past tense means a question that is asked about yesterday or the question that was asked yesterday. And what is the present tense? The question that is asked about present day or about now, it is known as question in the present tense. So what is the main difference between the two? It is just the change in the auxiliary verb. And what is the auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb means helping verb. For example, we can see here, do you need a doctor? Here, do is the auxiliary verb. And in the past tense, if we need to ask, we have to ask it like, did he need a doctor? So here again, did is the auxiliary verb. So we just change the auxiliary verb. Do has become did in the past tense. Do is asked in the present tense and did is asked in the past tense. Is it clear to everyone up to this line? Aditya, Rajdeep, Amoto, Yashika,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Udit, Shivam, is it clear to you all? Avishikta,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
what about Udit?
Amorto's electricity out.
Yes, I know that. Amoto and Udit, is it clear to both of you?
Ma'am, I have drawn it in the screen. I have show you.
What you need
Excuse
to
me,
do?
ma'am.
Yes, Udit.
It is I was going.
Thank you, Amoto. Yes, Udit, is it not clear to you?
No, ma'am, it is I was going.
What is going?
I was going.
I was going. No, it will be I went. But Udit, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am telling I am going is the present tense. That
Yes.
when I will make it past tense. So past tense is I was going.
I was going to the market. Yes, that is past continuous tense. Very good, Udit. I am going is the present continuous tense and past continuous tense is I was going. Excellent, Udit. Okay, the next line, can you read it? Amurto, from here, both do.
Can you mark it?
Yes, yes, from
Please.
here. Read it from there, beta. Both do and does.
Both do and does. Is in present tense. Questions become did in past tense question.
Both do and does in present tense question becomes did in the past tense question. This means that in the present tense we normally use do and does to ask a question, but in the past tense question that do and does is used as did. Is it clear to everyone? And past tense means about yesterday and present tense means anything about today. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Amato, it's not clear. Okay, Yashika, can you explain it better?
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. Both this line, both do and does in present tense becomes did in the past tense questions.
Yes.
This means that the word do and the word does, these are present tense. These are used in present tense questions. So the word do and does in present tense questions becomes the word did in past tense questions. That means, do you need a doctor? It is asking in the present tense. And did he need a doctor? It is talking about past tense.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya, Amato, Rajdeep, Shivam, Avishikta, Shuok.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shuok, better you did not join to this maths class. I was doing the LCM for you specially better. Okay, not an issue. I will send the recording in the WhatsApp group. Just go through it and do the sums which has been done in the class. Sure.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The next day we will again continue the LCM. So it's nothing to get tensed or worried about. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So the next one is Avishikta, can you read it better from here? Read the
Read the following examples to get a better understanding. Do you need a doctor? Present tense. Did he need a doctor? Past tense. Does he study at night? Present tense. Did he study at night? Past tense.
Very good. Excellent, Avishikta. So what has happened? See, in the present tense, we are using do, but at the same time, for the past tense, the auxiliary verb is changed to did. Similarly, in the present
Past tense did.
yes, for the
Ma'am,
past tense, we will be using
interrogative sentence.
Tell me again. Yes, it is an interrogative sentence. For interrogative sentence, we will be using did. For those sentences which will ask any question, for that sentence we will be using did for the past tense. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next one again we are using the same.
Yes, ma'am.
For Amoto it's not clear. Amoto C. For present tense we will be using do. And for past tense we will be using did. Is it clear, Amoto? Past tense means that the event which has already happened or the event of yesterday is called past tense. And present tense means whatever is happening today, that is called present tense. Amoto, is it clear, beta? Amoto, tell me yes or no so that I can go to the next one. If it is not clear, you can tell me, beta.
No.
It's not clear. Okay, Yashika, do me a favor, beta, explain it.
Which, ma'am?
Explain the examples. What is the difference between present tense and past tense?
Yes, ma'am. Do you need a doctor? Present tense. That means he is asking that, do you need a doctor? Right now, he is, suppose Ria is asking to Rita that, do you need a doctor? He's asking right now. And this is, did he need a doctor? That means Ria is asking to Rita that, did he need a doctor? That means about the past tense. Present tense means which is happening now, and past tense which means which has happened already. That means here in this example, does he study at night? That means the first person is asking to the second person that, does he study at night? And did he study at night is past tense. That means it's questioning about the past. That means that happened yesterday night or day before yesterday night, like this. Present tense means which is happening now, and past tense means which has happened long before.
Is it clear, Amoto? Amoto, are you there? Is it clear? Great.
Yes.
Now the next one, sure, can you read it better from here? We can.
We can also use a question word who, what, why before the word did to ask for more information. Read the examples below to get a better understanding of this. Did he study? When did he study? Where did he study? And why did he study?
Very good. Excellent, sure. So we can also use a question word. Question word means this WH word are called question word. Who, what or why before the word did to ask for more information.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is WH word?
WH word means who, what or why are known as WH word. Why WH word? Because they are beginning with
Where?
WH. Yes, where. All the words.
Ma'am, where? Ma'am, where?
When, where, all the questioning words or all the question words that begin with WH are called WH words. Is it clear, Udit?
Yes.
Okay. So here we can also use a question word who, what, why before the word did to ask for more information. Like why did he study? So for more information is they're asking for the reason. Here if we ask did he study, we can only say yes he studied or no he didn't study. But if we ask why did he study, then we can say that what was the reason behind him to study. There must be some reason, whether there may be some exams or whether there may be some projects, so he needs to study. Okay, when did he study? By this, when we need to say the timing of his studying. For example, he may study at 7 p.m. or he may study at 8 a.m. or he may study at 7 a.m. So we need to understand this time by this. When did he study? Then where did he study? So it is actually giving the place of his studying. So where did he study? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sure.
Clear. Ma'am, we can only use these words before did only.
Yes, we can use these words before did. Where did he study? Yes, Amoto, it's not clear to you. Wait, I am explaining it again. When did he study? Why did he study? Yes, we can use these words before did. Yes, Amoto, tell me what happened.
This person is clear. Study. Not clear for me. Study.
Just Amoto, you only tell me what happened, beta.
So why did he study? This person is not clear for me.
Why did he study? We are using the why before did to give the answer to the question, the reason behind him to study. Is it clear? All these words, where, when, why, are asking for some more information. Why is asking for the reason, when is asking for the time, and where is asking for the place. Is it clear, Amoto?
Yes.
Yes, tell me. Udit, you were saying something. Tell me, beta. Udit, you were saying something. Tell me. You were not saying anything. Rajdev, was it you? You were trying to say something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear to everyone up to this portion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will be doing negative sentences in the past tense. Okay. Now, Avishikta, you read it better. From here, we use
didn't, did not to make negative sentences in the simple past tense. This is for regular as well as irregular verbs in English.
very good.
Example,
Excellent.
they
Avishikta, wait. Avishikta, wait. Shivam, are you there? Can you read the examples better? Shivam, unmute yourself and read the examples better.
Yes, ma'am. The example are you don't need a doctor. You didn't need a doctor.
No,
He
not
didn't
there. We
study.
are doing it here better. We have just started negative sentence. Here, they don't.
Oh, they don't live in India. They didn't live in India. Past tense, present tense.
Very good. Excellent. So what do? We use did not for the past tense in the negative sentence. And for the present tense, we use don't. And we all know that we should use no or not for the negative sentence. So they don't live in India. So now they don't live in India. And past tense will be like yesterday or day before yesterday or years before. It may be said that they did not live in India. That is, they had never lived in India only. Is it clear to everyone? It is said in the past tense. Did not is used for the past tense and don't is used for the present tense. We all know present tense means now. Past tense means
Ma'am, there is a third person Puran number. Ma'am, there is a third person Puran number.
yes, very good, Rajdeep. And past tense is past tense means yesterday or day before yesterday or years back. That is, it has already happened. Is it clear to everyone? Negative sentence up to this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Avishikta, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
I clear it. I got clear. I got clear. I got
Okay.
it.
Shivam, you have understood. Udit, Yashika, Aditya, Shuvok, is it clear to you all, beta? What happened? No answer. That means it is not clear to you all. Udit, Yashika, Aditya, and Shuvok, is it not clear to you all?
It is clear, ma'am.
Udit, is it clear to you? Udit, unmute yourself and tell me if it is not clear. I will repeat it better. Yes, Yashika, I heard you. You told me yes. But what about Udit, Aditya, and Shok? Udit, unmute yourself and tell me whether it is clear or not.
Ma'am, which one?
Shok, up to this point, they did not live in India.
Ma'am,
Is it clear to you,
God.
Shok?
Excuse me, ma'am. In this example, only don't is changed. So how didn't is past tense and don't is present?
Tell me again. What is your question?
Ma'am, in these sentences of example, there is only didn't and don't only change in these. So how is didn't a past tense and don't a present tense?
Okay. See, in this type of sentence, nothing is changed. That is the rule. Only the auxiliary verbs changes. What is the auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb means